Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to create company-wide templates in Fellow. So my assumption here is that you have administrator access from the get-go, but if you do, then click on the logo at the top left of your screen and then go down to the Workspace Settings section. So here you'll notice that there is two sections here. There are two sections here, one over here and one over here. And these are the two places where you can manage templates. So one is obviously the workspace templates. And the workspace templates is what I'm going to show you today. But you also have a My Template section. So if you've created personal templates for yourself, then you can access them there and modify them there. But let's go to the Workspaces template section. So you'll notice that there are a lot of templates, and there's a bunch of things that you can do about these. So one of the things that we do is we kind of categorize them for you as meetings, one-on-ones, private, or priorities. These are the different sections that exist within Fellow, and we allow you to make changes to them. The other thing is that you can also sort by feedback templates. So if you have feedback templates, you can click on those and then they show up here as well. And then what we do is we also separate these out so you can actually define which type of feedback template you actually want to create or have. So let's do the following. So I'm just going to go back to our note templates and let's create a new template just so I can show you how this all works. So creating a new template, it's going to give you the same view that you get in our, basically in our editor. So one thing that you want to do is give this a description. So I'm just going to call this company one-on-one template. So I'm just going to also say special company one-on-one template. Okay, now we can basically start creating that template. You'll notice it says type / to open a list of things that you can choose. So I'm going to choose a header. The first thing that I want to talk about is, say, what's on your mind. And then I'm going to create a new header. Again, press /, click the next header. The next thing I want to make sure that folks talk about is what are your priorities. And finally, I want to ask for I will choose another header, and this time I'm going to ask for how can I help. So once I have fixed these headers, now I want to add in a spot so that there's a default talking point entry. So I'm going to show you that you can do this in two ways. If you press / and then press talking point, that kind of does the trick. But over here, now I want you to type in parentheses and then press space. And then that will do the trick there as well. So I'm going to come in right beneath this and then do the same. And there you have it. Now we have a template, but we haven't actually given this a name. So I'm going to call this special template, just so that we can find it quickly so I can show you how it all works. And then we get the luxurious privilege of being able to specify the category that this is going to go in. You know, this is a one-on-one template, so I'm going to choose one-on-ones. But what's really cool about this is you can actually use this for all sorts of things. So as an example, say that you have a template for retrospective meetings at your company. Or say you have a template or a framework that you use for staff meetings. You can actually create these templates and make them accessible and available to your whole company so that they can use them when the time comes. This is I would say, a hack to allow you to take a process and make sure that a large group of folks all follow the same process. So super powerful, and I hope that everybody can make full use of it. So now I'm going to press Save Template, and there you have it. So now I have my template. Obviously, now it's going to show up in our list here. So that is one place that it will show up. And the next place that it's going to show up, obviously, is, so there it is under one-on-ones, just like the category specifies. But the next place is in an actual one-on-one. So if I go to a one-on-one that I have, say in this case with Jack, you'll notice that the team template special template shows up, and I can apply that, and it will create a one-on-one with that template. There you have it. That's how you use the note templates within Fellow. There is going to be a second video where we're going to dive into how to create a template, a feedback template that you could use for your whole company. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.